Okay, the key word here is closest. Normally, when they say which the following, the value of that thing is closest to which the following, you can mess with your numbers. So I'm going to work it the short way first. So closest, 7/8 is about 1. 1/9 is about 0 over 1/2. And 1 over, let me write that, 1 over 1/2 is going to be a 2. Because remember, you multiply top and bottom by 2, and those 2's cancel, and you're left with 1 times 2. Now I'm going to work it the long way on the right hand side. This is a complex fraction. Your secondary denominators are 8, 9, and 2. Your LCD would be a 36. No, would be a 72. And you're going to multiply everything by 72. So 7/8 times 72. 8 will go into 72 9 times. 9 times 7 is 63. Plus 9 will go into 72. You're multiplying 72 times this 1/9. 8 times. And then 1/2 times 72 is 36. So that gives you 11. 8, 9, 10, 63 plus 71 over 36. And 72 over 36. 2 times 6 is 12. 72 over 36 is about 2. So this is about 2. But I got it a lot faster this way.